How much does a car inspection cost? Car inspections are important for more than just upkeep. In some areas, they're even necessary for vehicle registration. The kind of inspection you require, the state in which you reside, and the type of vehicle being examined will all affect how much you'll have to spend out of pocket. Even while the cost of these inspections is not a significant portion of the overall cost of car ownership, they might let you know about significant problems. For many people, getting a car inspection might be an expensive cost, but it can also guarantee that your automobile is safe and will run efficiently for many years. The price of getting an automobile inspected is no longer prohibitive, especially with the advent of modern technologies. So, let's learn about the car inspection cost. Depending on your state, a complete car inspection will cost money. The model and make of the car might also affect how much an inspection will cost. For instance, you might have to spend much extra for the inspection if you are driving an unusual vehicle. The tests you must run will also affect how much an inspection costs. Some states demand both a safety check and an emissions test. You may anticipate paying between $50 and $200 for a thorough automotive check, which can take several hours. Extensive pre-purchase inspections that include a thorough engine and road test may be the most expensive checks. The test could cost several $100s. A pre-purchase vehicle examination, however, can identify costly repairs that must be done before your car can be trusted. Additionally, it can reveal problems with road safety that could be dangerous for your car. Because of the significant prices, you should not disregard car inspections. Thankfully, the introduction of computerized car inspections has significantly reduced these expenditures. Each state has a different list of requirements for passing a safety inspection. Emissions are a prerequisite for passing in several states. In addition, the majority of states demand that the exterior lighting be inspected. The store will also want confirmation that the seat belts and horn function. The presence of warning lights on the dashboard may lead some stations to fail a car, so you may need to get repairs done before you pass the inspection. Be prepared for the shop to ride off in your automobile. To guarantee safety, they will check that the steering and suspension systems are functioning properly. The store will measure the amount of light that can pass through your tinted windows in order to make sure it conforms with state regulations if you have them. You want to know how long you should expect to spend at the shop if you are receiving your annual or biannual safety check. Although the inspection should, in general, take no more than 30 minutes, that isn't usually where the time goes. You have to wait in line after other customers when you get to the store. You could do better leaving the car and returning later to take it up if the shop doesn't accept appointments. If the technician discovers a problem with the car, the inspection process could also take longer. You might wish to get it corrected as soon as possible if it would prevent you from receiving a fresh inspection sticker. Make sure you have the necessary papers before going to your neighborhood shop for a car inspection. Consider paying with a check or cash instead of a credit card because there may be fees associated with doing so in some circumstances. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.